Sorry, you're in my way.
Oh, wow. That sounded rude. I didn't mean that.
This is the worst feeling. You want to be polite, but the words come out wrong. And now the stranger looks upset. My heart is beating fast.
If this happens to you, stay here. By the end of this video, you will politely talk to strangers in English with confidence.
Today, we solve one problem: how to speak politely to strangers in real life. Simple English, real situations, no fear.
If this helps you, like the video and subscribe. Let's start. Imagine this, viewers. You are in a coffee shop. It's busy, people are standing close. I want to pass, but a man is blocking the way.
You feel nervous. You don't want to sound rude. First, let's hear the wrong English. Okay, I say, move.
Oof, that sounds very rude.
The man looks at me. His face is not happy.
Because move is an order. It sounds angry. Let's fix it. Here is the polite English. Excuse me. Short, soft, friendly.
Now add one more word. Excuse me, please. This sounds polite and calm.
Now I try again in the coffee shop. Excuse me, please. The man smiles. He moves. Problem solved.
Mini win number 1. You can now pass people politely.
New situation. You need help. You are in a new city. You don't know the place. You see a stranger. Your English is in your head, but fear is also there.
First, wrong English. Hey, where is bus?
It's not terrible, but it sounds broken and a little too direct. Let's make it polite and natural. Start with a soft opener. Excuse me. Then add this sentence. Can you help me?
This is very polite. Say it with me, learners. Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. Now the full polite question. Excuse me, can you help me? Where's the bus stop?
Yes, that sounds human. The stranger answers. You understand only 50%, but that's okay.
Now you say something polite again. Thank you. Or a little warmer. Thank you so much.
Repeat it, learners. Thank you so much.
Great. Mini win number 2. You can ask for help politely. Next situation. This one is tricky. You need to say no. A stranger talks to you. You don't want to continue.
Wrong English first. No, I don't want.
Very strong, very cold. Let's soften it. Use this phrase. Sorry. Sorry is magic in English. Now add this. Sorry, I can't.
Now add a reason. Keep it short. Sorry, I can't. I'm busy.
Your face is calm. Your voice is soft. The stranger understands.
Mini win number 3. You can say no politely.
Let's talk about tone. Same words, different tone. Listen. Excuse me?
That sounds bad. Excuse me.
Much better. English politeness is not only words, it's your voice. Slow, soft, friendly. Try again at home, learners.
Now, a small mistake many learners make. They forget please. Listen. Can you help me?
Okay, but
Can you help me, please?
much better. Now let's connect everything. Full polite conversation.
I'm the stranger.
I'm you. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Sure.
Where is the bank?
It's over there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Short, clean, polite, and very real.
Final mini win. You can talk to strangers politely in English.
Let's review. To start, say excuse me.
To ask, say, can you help me?
To be kind, say please.
To finish, say, thank you so much.
To say no, say sorry, I can't.
You are not rude. You are learning. And now you have the right words. Next time you see a stranger, you will speak. And you will sound polite.
Comment below. Write one polite sentence. Practice it today. Subscribe for more real English. You can do this.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, learners.